Hey friends, if you encounter the game stuttering and freezing issue in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and then click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Okay, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one, update drivers. Right click on the second one and then update drivers. The next solution is to disable the game bar. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Search for game bar in the search bar and hit enter. Go to game bar settings, and this is actually enabled by default. It should not be. Simply disable it. After that, disable unnecessary startup apps because they take a lot of background resources. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now wait for this list to load and then go to the startup tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, right click and disable all the unnecessarily enabled processes. For example, I can right click and disable Microsoft Edge or Opera or any other process which is unnecessary. And the last one is to set the system for best performance. Search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust appearance and performance of Windows. Select adjust for best performance, click on apply, okay, and then your job is done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.